Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little project to share with you. Back in the spring I did some coffee filter flowers for Easter, I believe, and I had some leftover dyed coffee filters that I used. You just take regular coffee filters like this, and I have a tutorial where I show how you can dye them with food coloring. But you just use those regular ones, and I had some soft pink ones left over, and I think I had a few yellow ones as well. And then, so what I did, I was trying to think of what I could do with them, and I thought maybe I would make these little mini roses. So just, you take the coffee filters and just make these tiny little, I guess, miniature roses. So this is what I have made from my leftover coffee filters. And then once I made those, I decided to decorate this little candle holder, and I glued the little roses around the edge of the candle holder. You can see it's a little glass or crystal candle holder there, and some of them I put the little pearl embellishments in the centers, and yeah, I thought it turned out really cute. And so this is just one of those battery operated tea lights. You wouldn't want to use a real tea light in this, but the battery operated ones are good for this. Safer. So I thought it turned out really cute, and so it might be something that you're interested in doing. And so I'll show you how I put these together. So I'm just going to pause this for a minute, and I'll be back to show you the tutorial. So I'm going to take the coffee filters. I've got about 5 of them here, and I just got them stacked together. And I'm going to fold them in half, like so, and then I'm just going to cut basically the center of them out, like so, so I have a strip. And strips maybe about 2 inches wide. So it's like this. And then you can cut them in half as well. Again, down the center. And then what I do is take this little stack that I have here, and I do an accordion fold with it here. So it's just back and forth. So there we go. Now this is going to be a little bit longer than I want, so I'm just going to trim off a little bit on the ends here. That might be about right. And then you take a piece of string, or you could even use thread, or yarn even would work, just to tie it up. You just want to secure it in the center, basically. So I just do that, and I do another little knot just to keep it together. So there, once you do that, I'm just going to kind of pull your ends apart like this, and then you're going to start pulling the layers apart. And I'm going to show you on this one here, because I've already kind of got it started here. So this is a little white one that I was working on, and then you just want to kind of pull the layers towards the center, like so. There's kind of one side, and you flip it around and get all the layers pulled apart on the second side here. Sometimes these little layers are a bit fiddly, especially on camera when you're trying to do something, you know, do it quickly and properly to show people. Okay, so then just take the 2 bottom strings and kind of pull those down, and then just kind of work your rows together. You can't really do these wrong. And then you just kind of smush it a little bit, and you know, just you can play with it until you get it the way you like it. And if you want to put the little embellishments in the center, You can just, I use these little pearl buttons here, or little pearl stick-ons, I guess. You can take one of those. Of course, see if I can get it on in there. There. Like this. So, kind of like this. And then I just snipped off the strings on the bottom there. Like that. And then it's ready to use. You can put it on, you know, use it as a topper, or, you know, make a little home decor item like this, or use it as an embellishment. I'm sure you'll find different things to do with it. And I'm not sure if I showed this wand before or not, but this was a satin pink flower that I made, or sorry, it's more like yeah, I guess it's a satin, just a very light pink. And then I put it on a straw with some pretty ribbon and netting, and just did the back like this. It's kind of pretty. So I just wanted to show that as well. It's just another idea if you're making handmade flowers. So those are the things I wanted to share with you today. So I hope you feel inspired, and it might be something you'd like to try. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.